What's up guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Welcome to another video here on Sincerely Shamsa. If you're new to my channel, my name is Shamsa. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like my content. Make sure to turn on your post notification. Give the video a thumbs up. So guys, today we are making one of my favorite food. This is my favorite food in general and my favorite food to go to when it's Ramadan. This will make you feel like you are full all day. I have here 3 bunches of collard green that are cleaned, and I'm going to slice my collard greens thin. Once you're done cutting the collard greens, this is how they're supposed to look. And now I'm going to chop my tomatoes. I have 3 tomatoes. You could add more if you like, but I'm going to add 3. And I'm also going to be adding some garlic. You could add less, but I don't mind garlic. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I love garlic. I'm also gonna add half of an onion to the blender, and we're gonna blend in all of those ingredients, the tomato, the garlic, and the onion. I have here my pot. I'm going to add in some chopped onions and then add oil to that, and we're gonna wait for our onions to brown. Once our onions turn brown, we're gonna add the blended, like a little bit of the blended tomatoes first. Then we're gonna add our collard greens, and then we're gonna add the rest of the tomatoes on to the collard greens, on top of the collard greens, I mean. I love to add meat to my sukuma, so I'm using some goat meat. You can use beef, whatever you like, but I'm gonna use goat meat. And I'm also gonna add a little bit of water and then some chicken bouillon, and we're gonna let that simmer. And after that, we're gonna come back later, and then we're gonna stir everything together, and then we're gonna add a little bit of water to it, and then let that cook on medium heat. Make sure you're always mixing it whenever you can. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to it so that way it stays moist. And I'm going to add a little bit of chicken flavored bouillon on top of it. So while our sukuma is cooking, we're going to move on to our ugali or soor. I have here water and a pinch of salt. I let that come to a boil. I have here a white cornmeal that's coarse, and I also have a fine cornmeal. So I mix both of those so I can get like a I don't know how to describe it, but I don't want it to be too coarse. Let's just say that. So I'm gonna put in the cornmeal into the water, and I'm gonna give it a good mix, because you don't want like your cornmeal to be having lumps. Also guys, another thing, you can find the coarse cornmeal at the African stores. The ones at the African stores are the best. After I'm done mixing, I'm gonna cover that and let that cook on medium heat. Once it looks like this, we're gonna add our fine cornmeal. This time you need to mix like very rapidly and make sure that you have no lumps. Some people don't like this stage of mixing the ugali because it can get your arms sore, especially if you're making a big one for a big family. I know in West Africa they have something similar to this. They call it fufu, but theirs is a little more too soft. Ours was like a little bit thicker. Let me know, what do you call this in your language in the comment section. So our ugali is ready. I'm gonna put it in this bowl to make it look nice, and then I'm gonna put it on the plate before I serve it. Guys, this is my secret to staying full throughout the day during Ramadan. We eat this during suhoor time, and it just keeps us feeling full all day. So this is how it looks. I put in a little bit of my collard green over there, and you can add like some cucumbers on the side, and it just tastes delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe, give the video a like, and comment. Thanks for watching.